This is how we install our high-tech OptoFrame solution from OptoNet. The OptoFrame is available in different variants. We use a 2 or 4 LC APC equipped OptoFrame and 2 respectively 4 heat shrink splice protectors. The tools we use are a fusion splicer, a fiber cleaver, a T-stripper for 900 micron fibers or pigtails, a Miller stripper for the coating, a jacket stripper for FTTH cables and loose buffer fiber, a small side cutter, a Kevlar shear, a screwdriver number 2, a Phillips screwdriver PH1, a Torx screwdriver T15, a double meter. Attention! Please mind that you will have to strictly follow the safety regulations when working on active electrical components. Remove the cover and the mounting frame from the power socket. Do not dispose of any parts or screws. All of them will be reused later. Mount the OptoFrame adapter plate onto the socket and fix it so that the label top is on the top side of the adapter. Pull the FTTH cable through the cable duct in the wall up to the wall socket. Remove the fiber cable jacket according to the regulation. A minimum length of 30 centimeters between the duct opening and the end of the fiber cable jacket is required for the cable loop in the wall outlet. Remove the yarn with the Kevlar shear. For new installations, the length should be chosen so that a minimum of 2 cable loop lengths can be laid in the OptoFrame, in order to have a reserve for subsequent works. Insert the cable from the bottom right into the underside of the OptoFrame and fix it with a zip tie. The head of the zip tie has to be on the top side of the OptoFrame. Put the heat shrink splice protectors on the fiber first. If you are working for Swisscom, use exclusively the heat shrink splice protectors. Remove the secondary and the primary coating of the FTTH cable and the pigtails using the T-stripper and the Miller stripper. Clean the raw fibers with alcohol. Break the fibers with the fiber cleaver. Use the proper fiber holder, in this case 250 micron to 3 millimeters. Splice the fibers. Slide the heat shrink splice protector over the splice point and shrink it in the heat shrink oven. The splice protectors shall be stored in the designated splice trays in pairs. Slide the splice protectors of the red fiber 1 and the green fiber 2 in the upper splice tray of the OptoFrame. Slide the splice protectors of the yellow fiber 3 and the blue fiber 4 in the lower splice tray of the OptoFrame. First, lay the spare length of the spliced fibers of the FTTH cable in the OptoFrame. Then lay in the red fiber 1 as well as the green fiber 2 and insert them into the coupler located in the bottom left corner. The red fiber 1 will be inserted at the left side and the green fiber 2 at the right side. At last, lay the reserve yellow fiber 3 and the reserve blue fiber 4. If the yellow fiber 3 and the blue fiber 4 will be used, place a cable loop under the upper right corner before inserting them into the coupler. The yellow fiber 3 shall be inserted at the left side, and the blue fiber 4 at the right side of the coupler. Remove the mounting frame. Coil one loop of the optical cable and lay it at the bottom of the OptoFrame. Fix the OptoFrame onto the adapter plate with the included screws. Optical connectors must be facing down. Reattach the mounting frame and fix the complete part onto the OptoFrame. Insert labeling behind the glass window. Remount the cover plate or replace the discolored cover by a new one.